Welcome back to IR Design Expert channel. Today we are discussing about projection of solids in SolidWorks software. So this is a model. To select a plane surface for this surface. That's the front surface. It can be up to 50 mm. It can be extend, and we can select the particular surface. The projection of the plane is 50 mm. Okay, I'm going to select a sketch, normal 2, select the side edges and select loop command, and select entire each and every lines. You can select. Okay, interior surface is also. Now we're going to select the convert entities. You can convert it to projected the particular surface. You can trim the excess lines. Okay, this is a projection line. Now we're going to extend the minimum thickness. Before that, we can be corrected that each and every the parameters should be extended like that. Now we're going to extrude. Select the surfaces. Interior surface, you can select interior surface only. Okay, and then the thickness is 0.1. Okay, now another one hole is there, the bottom side. Okay, before that, going to select another one plane for side surface, left side surface, and select datum plane for the same 50 mm. We can draw here, and we can select all the edges the same method. Select and right click and going to select loop to select all the edges. Okay, you can select all the edges. And then now going to select for convert entities. Now going to remove the excess lines. Trim. Okay. The bottom side we can be green close, so we can close now. Again go for a sketch, normal view, and select the bottom line. Again trim to remove the excess lines. I'm going to extrude 0.1 mm thickness. Okay, the left side surface is over. And then back surface, back side surface we can be projected the same 50 mm. The datum plane is created. Now going to draw the using of convert entities, the same loop method. Select right click and select all the edges. And select the point so we can select the bottom plane, so we can remove that. Interior surface, interior edge line is also okay. Okay, going to convert entities. Directly we can select all the edges. Interior circle is also okay. We are missing up some of the lines. We can reselect all the edges. Okay, now going to extrude the 0.1 mm, the same thickness. Okay, now we're going to draw the right side projection. You can draw the right side projection and convert entities, select all the edges. The curved surface is a little bit difficult for selecting the edges, so you can correctly zoom and select your edges. Okay, I'm going to trim the edges line. Okay, now this extrude the same 0.1 mm thickness. Okay, now it is completed for all the surfaces. For projecting the lines, hide the datum planes. Okay, this is very simplest way you can project all the surfaces, right side, left side, left side, and all the side. Okay, thank you for watching Design Expert channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.